Today is very special day. Cyber family is Akwasidae. I decided to join this sacred festival to commemorate our ancestors and show you the rich culture of the Ashanti people. Akwasidae is one of the most significant celebrations in the Ashanti Kingdom. It happens every 6 weeks and is today. The entire community has come together to honor our ancestors, celebrate the golden story, and reconnect with our heritage. For the Ashanti people, Akwasidae is not just a festival, it's a sacred day of reflection, gratitude, and unity. As you can see, the atmosphere here is incredible. There is drumming, dancing, and people dressed in beautiful kente clothes. Everyone has come out to celebrate and pay their respect. And there he is, the Asante Hene, the king of Ashanti Kingdom, seated in all his glory. Look at the kente cloth and the golden ornament he is wearing. Such a powerful representation of our history and heritage. People from all over the kingdom has come here to pay homage to him. This is a moment of unity where we remind ourselves of our roots and the value that binds us together as Ashanti people. The spiritual side of Akwasidae is what makes it so special. The rituals are deeply symbolic, cleansing the community and bringing blessings for people. Peace, prosperity, and protection. It's also a time to connect with our ancestors who we believe are always watching over us and guiding us. One of my favorite parts of the festival is the cultural displays. Look at the drummers. They are so full of energy, and the dancers. Their movement tells stories of our history and tradition. The entire festival is alive with music, art, and culture. It's truly an unforgettable experience. Akwasidae is more than just a festival. It's a reminder of where we come from and who we are. It teaches us to honor our past whilst building a future rooted in our culture and tradition. For visitors, it's a window into the soul of Ashanti people, and for us, it's a time of pride, gratitude, and unity. Well, that's just for today's Akwasidae Festival. It's been such an incredible experience, from the vibrant cultural display to the deep spiritual significance of rituals. I am so proud to be part of culture that treasures its heritage and stays connected to its roots. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you ever get the chance to experience Akwasidae, don't miss it. A celebration you will never forget. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts in the comment below. I will see you in the next one. Always remember, Cyber Tours is a premium operator in Ghana, a tour guide company that will run tours for diasporas and those that don't have tours in Ghana. So if you want to come to Ghana for holidays and if you want to come to Ghana for tour, remember to contact us, Cyber Tours. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
The President of the Republic